What's up, YouTube? Do you want to learn how to actually grow a channel from nothing? It's super fast. If so, stay with me. It's coming right up. Before we get into that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, here on the channel, I do two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche because I basically want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, how many times do I have to tell you? You gotta look at my reviews first. Guy never listens, never learns. Yeah. Anyway, in addition to that, I also do videos on mindset, on making money online, all kind of entrepreneurship kind of stuff.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, that's so kind of you to say. I really do appreciate it. And yes, I really am successful. Now, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, let's keep the conversation going, and let's get right into this training. So I want to show you something really cool. What we're looking at right here is my YouTube analytics showing my stats for the last 28 days. Check out these lines. I mean, I'm loving seeing this. Look at this. Look at the ways the way it's jumped. Look at this, views. Look at how much it's jumped. Average view duration, the number of likes, the number of comments, shares, my God, videos and playlists, subscribers, 268 subscribers in the past 28 days. Okay, this is insane numbers. Yes, my cat wants to say it's insane also. But let me show you something even cooler. Look at the last 7 days. Check that out. Look at that. Look how it's been skyrocketing. The numbers of the view duration is skyrocketing. The number of likes, the number of comments, the number of subscribers. In 7 days, 33 subscribers. That's absolutely insane.
Trial results were so positive, its release has been expedited.
Yeah, I know. That's why I actually decided I wasn't going to wait and I was going to release this to the world now instead of waiting a little bit later. Since October of 2018. And for the past about month or two, I have been absolutely obsessed with cracking the YouTube code. So is my cat. Now, I've watched hundreds upon hundreds of videos from all the top YouTubers who claim to be able to show you how to get hundreds or thousands of subs in just a few days. And you know what? I call BS on every single one of them.
Well, that's really not fair.
I know. Now, George, hear me out. I'm going to explain everything. Okay, you see, here's the thing. There's something that really they're not telling you. You see, when your channel is large, yeah, some of these strategies could help you grow even further. But if you're just starting out, if you're a small YouTuber, someone who is just starting their channel, somebody's trying to build from nothing, those strategies, frankly, they're a waste of time. And to be honest, some are just outright lies.
What an incredible lie.
I know, right? You know, you wouldn't believe some of the so-called methods I've seen here on YouTube. Anyway, so I've decided that I'm going to spill the beans. I'm going to tell you what I've discovered in a special live webinar at 3 p.m. on Wednesday. Now, I don't believe in BS, and so this webinar is not going to be a typical webinar. I'm not going to do the whole rags to riches story and how my life changed forever. I mean, I could tell you a story like that, and it will be 100% true, but I'm not going to.
Well, why not?
Well, Lisa, I'm glad you asked that question. You see, I've been to dozens of these kind of webinars, and it's the same stuff, the same crap. They spend 40 minutes telling you how wonderful their lives are now and how broke they were before and how everything has changed, everything is wonderful now. And then they spend 5 minutes giving you some rehashed crappy tips, and then they have a pitch afterwards for their product.
Training exercise, isn't that the usual BS?
Yeah, that's exactly why I'm not going to do this. Now, instead, What am I going to do? I want to be completely honest with you. I'm actually going to show you some super useful tips to supercharge your business. Whether or not you bought Local Video Jackpot or not, these tips will help you. Now, yes, we are going to have a pitch at the end. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you there's no pitch. There's going to be a pitch at the end. But you see, what I did was I asked myself, okay, if I were listening to this pitch, what would make me sit up and say, hell yeah, I want in? And then once I figured that out, I basically just doubled it. And anyone who knows me and knows what I do, you know very well I am the king of over delivery. And even with that, this package blows me away with the value that I'm going to be giving you. Now, it's not for everyone. First of all, because this package is going to require a lot of my personal time, we're limiting it to 30 serious action takers. And frankly, that's really stretching myself to the limit because I want to help every single person who opts into this program. I want to help you to succeed massively. And frankly, if I have more than 30, it's not going to be fair. I can't stretch myself that thin. So if all this sounds good to you, use the link below. Go ahead and sign up for our No BS webinar. I can pretty much guarantee you're going to be amazed and thrilled at what I have to show you.
I can't believe.
Oh, it's real, Captain. It's very, very real. So I'll see you on Wednesday. And by the way, the webinar room holds a maximum of 100 people. So make sure you get in early and stay until the end because there's a real possibility that if you leave, you won't be able to get back in. I'm going to see you then.